Hey, part two. Today we're going to be going over the part we looked at last time for going home. It was kind of like a B section. It was a little bit different than what we had learned last time. So let's start right here. Okay, I'm going to go right into it. So this is the section that we talked about last time. It's kind of like waves. Like part one has the melody, and then part two kind of comes and goes over it. Then part one, and it's kind of like this effect of like you sing, I sing, you sing, I sing. Okay, so they happen to be first by going nothing's lost, all is gain. And as they're singing gain is when you come in with all is gain. Try that. I'll sing their part and you come in at all is gain. Ready? They sing nothing's lost, all is gain. Okay, now we look at the next phrase. It's the exact same thing, different words. No more fret, nor no more pain. Okay, let's put those two phrases together. 1, 2, here we go. They sing, nothing's lost, all is gain. No more fret, nor no more pain. Okay, so that's kind of that first section. Now let's break this up a little bit. There's these two measures, this measure and this measure are the exact same. Different words. Listen first. I'm going to sing it in my octave because it feels uncomfortable for me to sing that low. So you're down here, I'm singing up here. No more stumbling on the way. No more longing for the day. Let's try those two phrases. So starting here and then going right to this measure, okay? Ready and go. No more stumbling on the way. No more longing for the day. So those two phrases are the exact same. Now we've got kind of this like weird ending. Going to Rome no more, no more. Okay, so this one more time. Going to Rome no more, no more. And here's what's happening. Each phrase, it starts quiet. Let's look all the way back to this. All is gain is mezzo piano, medium quiet. Medium quiet still. Now we're told medium loud. And we have this cue, poco eccello, right? So little by little, accelerando, which means to get faster and you're getting louder. So each phrase is kind of having this strength that it's building each time, okay? So let's try these last two measures. Try that. Going to, ready and go. Going to Rome no more, no more. Okay, now let's link that to no more stumbling on the way. Here you go. No more stumbling on the way. No more longing for the day. Going to Rome no more, no more. Okay? Let's go back to measure 21 where we're starting this quiet thing that's growing and growing, because at the end you're saying no more, no more. So you're having that strength, not only with the words you say, but what you're singing and how you sing it. Okay? And that was kind of the thought behind why this part was composed the way it was. Okay? Let's start with part one, singing. I'll sing and then you come in at all is gain. Ready? Here we go. Nothing's lost, all is gain. No more fret, nor no more pain. No more stumbling on the way. No more longing for the day. Going to Rome no more, no more. Okay, let's try linking that all together. Let's go back to the beginning and seeing what happens when we try to do it all. All right, here we go, guys. You start with the melody. Going home, going home. I'm a-going home. Quiet like some still day. I'm I'm just going home. Part 1 sings. It's not far, just close by, through an open door. Work all done, care laid by, going to fear no more. Ready, go. Mother's there expecting me, Father's waiting too. Lot of folk gathered there, all the friends I knew. Now you wait a measure for the piano. Now you do all. All the friends I knew. They start. Nothing's lost, all is gain. No more fret nor no more pain. Here we go. No more stumbling on the way. No more sorrow. Ah, sorry, my piano's my computer screen went away. Let's try the no more stumbling right there. Ready and go. No more stumbling on the way. No more longing for the day. Going to Rome no more, no more. All right, hopefully that went okay. I know it's starting, this song is starting to, there's a lot to it, so hopefully you're keeping up with it and feeling okay. The good thing is you've learned a lot of the notes, so really we're just going to be learning new sections with similar notes and just different words, okay? So I hope you're doing well. Remember, you can always reach out to me if you need anything. I miss you guys a lot. All right, have a good Monday.